I think birds are investing inside here, as you can see from the rooftop. Let me look for a seat to stand on so that I can show you very well. I think there is a nest somewhere here where birds live. As you can see, these are grass. It's a nest actually. I'm trying to look for something that is hidden here. I think a bird was trying to build a nest somewhere here. These are all grasses. I don't know. I think there is a bird inside here. I can feel something moving, as you can see. There is a bird inside here. It has been living inside here at the rooftop of this building. It's a whole building. I think I have to look for a seat. You can see the feathers. There is something moving inside here. There is a bird. There is something moving inside here. Look at that. Something is... Look at that. Something is moving inside here. I don't know if it's a bird. Actually, this is a nest. It tried to build a nest here. And it's putting even some polythene inside here. Let me look for a stick, a better stick that I can use to remove that. Or maybe, let me try. There's a bird living here. It's actually a nest. I'm trying to destroy it. Maybe there's some eggs laid inside there, I don't know. We are trying to look for something that has been investing here. You can see the feathers of the bird. It has been living inside here. Let me try and see if I can still remove this. I hope the eggs of the bird doesn't fall. There's something moving inside there. I don't know what is it. This one here, there's a bird inside. There's a bird inside here. It has been building a nest inside somewhere here. There's no way I can remove it, but I'll just try and see what happens. Guys, I'm trying to find out something that has been living inside the top of this roof. Yeah. And find out, I noticed this morning that the birds have been living on top of this roof. So I was trying to see if I can remove the nest so that we can know what it's living inside here. I once found a bat in our room where we'll sleep. It was flying at night. Then I caught it in the morning, but sadly it died. And now I noticed this morning that there was a bird that flew inside here. I think it has its young ones inside the top of this roof. So I was trying to check out if I can remove the nest that is living, because the roof is so tall I cannot reach there up. Let me try. Let me continue searching. Perhaps it's a bird that there's a young one here. There must be. It's a very big nest that I don't know which part I can remove. Let me try and see. You can see the nest is really big. I saw this morning a bird flew inside here. Let's try our best if we can get it, so that maybe we can know what to do. I don't know how it gets inside here. Maybe it's a small bird. I don't know. Maybe it has flew away. I think I never caught up with it because I saw it some few minutes ago. It flew away. Maybe it has gone away. We never caught up with it. But I'll still find a time when I see it. I'll let you know. It has been building this nest with all sort of materials. You can see from here, the feathers are here. So you can see, it has been building with these feathers. I don't know how it does. I'll try and find out what it does with it. Because this is it seems it has been living here for a long time. I can see something there. Maybe it is the one. I feel like something is in. I'm really trying to remove this thing. Yeah, something is moving. I can see something moving. There is a small bird here. We can try and see what's... Though I do not have something to climb on top here, but I can see something is moving. I don't know how we'll remove this thing. I don't want it to get hurt. I feel something is moving on top of... I don't know how I will climb here. I noticed that there is some birds living on top of this roof. So I saw something moving all from the rooftop because I saw one bird that flew inside here. I'm trying to find out because I feel something is moving on top of this roof here. Yeah, I'm trying to find out what, because I don't want to hurt it. I don't know how I will remove this bird from the rooftop here, but I'll try as much as possible to look for a way out. Let me see. Just bought this table outside so that I can climb on it. It's actually a table that we don't normally use most of the time. I want to find out what is at the rooftop. It's a nest of a bird that I don't realize. And something has stung me. Let me see. I can climb on top and I think it's now closer. I can find out what is really living inside here. I don't want to hurt it. We are just finding out what lives. This bird that actually lives, because I saw something moving right now. I don't know if I can. It appears to be still far, but it's much better. I can stretch my hand and see if I can pull this out. I can pull this out. We want to find out what lives inside here at the rooftop. No one can hold my camera. For now, I'm the only one who holds the camera. Wow, I feel so tired. All down because I added some height here. I hope I won't. It's very dangerous for me. Oh God, very dangerous. I'm now closer to it now. Let me try and see. Though I am afraid, I'm frightened because I don't know what is inside here. Oh God. I saw something moving. I'm trying to find out exactly. You know, this is an old house. Very old. So anything can live at the rooftop. I don't know. I saw something moving. Now I can't see it again. And it's actually here. Yeah, I can see something moving really. Yeah, it's a bird. It's actually a bird. Let me try and find out which kind of a bird is this. Oh my God. You can see something inside there. Yeah, you see? There is something inside here that I don't understand. Hey, it's actually a bird. Oh my God, here is the leg. You can see? I don't want to disturb it, really. Oh God, it's a bird. Oh God, it's going inside again. I think it's a baby bird or what. I don't know. It's a small one. I don't want to disturb it. Maybe it was sleeping somewhere here. I just wanted to actually find out what is it. And I actually saw it. I don't know what we'll do. Put at the comment section, what do you think I should do? Should I just leave it here to chill at the top of the building here? Or I should move it somewhere? I noticed that movement just right here. Right now we can see, I think you have seen, there is something really moving inside there. You can see at the top of this building. It's an old building. I don't want to disturb it really. It's there. It's actually a small bird. I don't know if I can zoom the camera so that you can see it closely. It's somewhere there. I don't know if you can see my hand. Somewhere there, somewhere inside there. Yeah. Here is it. I will try and see if we can remove it. Or we just leave it because it's stuck inside there. I don't know what we can do. I don't know if it's you can see it's just we are along the road. I don't know if I can leave it there. Hey. Let me just leave it. You can see the feathers. It really built a nest at the rooftop. So I don't know, I cannot destroy that home for now because the birds will die. I don't want to affect the nature. It really built a house with a lot of materials. You can see the feathers at the rooftop of this building. I think we're gonna leave it there. For those who haven't subscribed to this channel, please do consider subscribing, hit the notification bell, get notified whenever I upload a new video. I was trying to find out what was living at the rooftop where we live here, at the top there, to find out what was living there, because I noticed some movement as I was doing my cleaning. I was washing clothes and some utensils there. Then I noticed some movement. I saw a bird just flew inside. And you know, a lot of things can live at the rooftop because it's an old building anyway. The cats also normally come there as they look. I don't know what they have been looking for, maybe the rats, but we do not have rats inside here because I used a book that is used to capture those rats, and they were all dead. There were no more rats inside here. So I noticed some movement also. There's a day that I found a bat in our room. So that's why I've been noticing some birds have been living at the rooftop here. But this one is just, I don't know the type of the bird that but it's not a bat. I don't think if it's a bat, because bats, it's different from the one I saw there. Yeah, maybe I'll put that video, or it's on my Instagram also, Ellen Chepkemoi on Instagram. I took a short video of the dead bat. I just took a video because it was already dead. I tried to save it, and I saw that I cannot, because I am not a professional in animals, in keeping animals. So it just died. I don't know. So this one I'll not destroy that nest because maybe it's a young one. Maybe the mother has gone to look for some food. I don't know. It was just there, right there. So the bat, I'll put the video so that you can see the bat that I'll put a short screen of the video or the picture in this video so that you can know exactly what I'm trying to say. For now, I think we are going to end this video. Until next time, bye.